Ever wondered if your team members can actually add events to your shared Google Calendar, or are you the only one with the power? Let's unlock the mystery of Google Calendar permissions and supercharge your team's collaboration. First, head over to Google Calendar on your computer. This feature isn't fully accessible on mobile just yet. Find the calendar you share with your group, maybe it's called Project Alpha or Team Meetings, and hover your mouse over it. See those three little dots? Click them. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Settings and Sharing. This is your command center for calendar permissions. Scroll down until you see Share with specific people or groups. Here's where you control who has access and what they can do. You'll see a list of names or groups you've shared the calendar with. Now, look at the permissions drop-down next to each name. This is the key. See only free. Busy lets them see when you're busy, but not the event details. See all event details lets them view everything. To allow members to add and edit events, you'll want to select Make Changes to Events. This means they can create, modify, and even delete events on the calendar, but be careful. Only select Make Changes and Manage Sharing if you want the user to also be able to invite other users and change calendar settings. Once you've set the permissions, that's it. Your team members can now contribute to the calendar, ensuring everyone stays informed and on schedule. Collaboration achieved.